We are pleased to have Chief Justice Annette Ziegler of the Wisconsin Supreme Court here to present the opening remarks for our presentation.
Thank you, Katarina, and thank you to the Wisconsin State Bar for having me here 2 nights in a row. It's nice to see all of you. This is my favorite part of the conference. Each year, the bar formally recognizes some of Wisconsin's top legal professionals, including judges, attorneys, support staff, and others who make a difference in the legal profession. This work could be done in a courtroom, in a law firm, through an organization that's committed to improving justice, or administrators. The people being recognized tonight did not set out to achieve this award, but they've done so through their actions. They've proven their dedication to the people they serve and to the cause of justice. We have 16 awards being presented tonight. I won't go through each one because we'll be doing that shortly. However, I want to touch upon a few of these just to give you an idea of the contributions people are making to the field. They've demonstrated a commitment to the legal profession that extends well beyond themselves. 3 winners are judges, including Chief Judge Carl Ashley for his work in diversity and inclusion, Judge Richard Radcliffe as Jurist of the Year, Judge Ramona Gonzalez for her Lifetime Achievement Award. 7 lawyers are being recognized for their work, including the late Michael May, in 2 areas, by the Government Lawyers Division for his service to the government and our citizens, and by the Senior Lawyers Division for his significant contributions to the legal community, in particular, his respect for the legal system and love of the law and all the law seeks to accomplish. Jennifer Brinkley, who's worked to develop, maintain, and coordinate pro bono projects that benefit the underserved in Dane County. Kelsey Mullins, author of an article on transnational marriage abandonment. 2 outstanding young lawyers, Jason Luzak and Lisa Procasio, public service attorney Jeannie Headland of Wausau, and Minneapolis lawyer Anu Chidasama, who's a non-resident lawyer division awardee. We also have a few non-lawyers being recognized, including the outstanding public service law students Taylor Dunkey, Foreman, and Tessa Henson, as well as the outstanding public interest legal worker award to Lu Yang. And the winner of this year's Wisconsin Association of Legal Administrators Award of Excellence is going to Sue K. Tomijan. Now I want to take a minute to just recognize one award winner, La Crosse County Circuit Court Judge Ramona Gonzalez. She has an interesting backstory. Her family came from the Dominican Republic to the United States when she was about 5 years old. She has a sister, a brother-in-law, 2 nephews, a niece, 2 cousins, all who are physicians. And her father was also a working physician who dedicated his entire work to underserved communities. What role models to follow after, but she nonetheless, lucky for us, chose the law. There are a lot of good things to say about Judge Gonzalez and her accomplishments for her 28 years on the bench. State Representative Steve Doyle put it this way: from her days as a practicing attorney in the area of family law, to her service in many community organizations, to her leadership at the state and national level, Judge Gonzalez has been tireless. Thankfully, she's also used her skills and passion to train others to follow in her footsteps. With her knowledge, her passion, and her inspiration, she's leaving our world a better place. According to an article announcing this award, Judge Gonzalez was the first woman and first person of color to serve on the La Crosse County Circuit Court bench. She's racked up numerous awards, served on a range of commissions and committees, many of which focus on child welfare, family law, and other court-related issues. During 2019 and 2020, Judge Gonzalez served as the president of the National Council of Juvenile and Family Court Judges. As a member of that organization, she's worked to improve national policy and practices that include children, families, and survivors of violence. We've been fortunate to have Judge Gonzalez on the bench. Now, there's a couple of things you may not know about Judge Gonzalez. First, she unretired. That's right. In April 2022, she announced she was going to retire. Then she recalled her father, who died in August of last year, and he continued working up to the time he was 80 years old. She realized maybe her work wasn't quite complete. In 2022, the Milwaukee Journal-Sentinel quoted her father as saying, "Working with poor people, you can never retire. There's no finishing the job. Poverty continues." Words to live by. There's something else you should know about Judge Gonzalez, and it's not quite as flattering. Sorry, Ramona. There's what I consider an explicit photo that some of you may have seen. It's on the State Bar website. It demonstrates how daring she truly is. Apparently, she felt quite comfortable being at Lambeau Field wearing Chicago Bears gear. Ouch. Welcome back from retirement, Judge Gonzalez. Thank you. Back to you, Katerina.